Okay. Mom, you can sing now.
Now I can sing now. Here I sit in my brand new chair. My nephews and nieces gave to me, watching the snowflakes fall and the sparrows flit from tree to tree. What a wonderful Christmas day. When I think when I was young, everything has changed so much. Hope Santa Claus was good to all, and the children overseas. No trees, no plenty to eat and drink. I wish for them all a year. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all the ones I love. Merry Christmas to all, and to all the best in 2009. Love, Auntie. May God bless you all. Merry Christmas, my children.
Oh, really nice.
That's really good.
Not bad for an old lady, is it?
Oh, not at all.
Beautiful song.
You are